Hello student, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to study maths part 2nd, chapter number 1, basic concept in geometry. I am Mr. Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje, Pune. First, it is a picture of pyramid in Egypt built 3000 years before the Christ era. It is not possible to build such huge structure without develop knowledge of geometry and engineering. The word geometry itself suggests the origin of the subject. It is generated from the Greek word geo means earth and metria means measuring. So it can be guessed that the subject have involved from the need of measuring the earth, that means land. Geometry was developed in many nations in different constructions. The first Greek mathematician Thales had gone to Egypt. It is said that he determined height of pyramid by measuring its shadow and using the property of similar triangle. This is the picture of Thales. And Thales was considered as one of the 7 wise men of his day. He was the first Greek mathematician and the first Greek astronomer. This is the picture of Euclid. Euclid's textbook on geometry written between 300 BC and 275 BC survived as the standard school textbook until the present century. A standard textbook cannot hold the field for over 2000 years without cramping the imagination of some extent, and it was only during the 19th century, after the men as Riemann and Lobachevsky had come forward with the non-Euclidean geometries. The third person is Pythagoras. Ancient Indian also had deep knowledge of geometry. In a Vedic period, the people used geometrical properties to build altars. Aryabhatta, Varaha Mihir, Brahmagupta, Bhaskaracharya, and many others have given valuable contribution to the subject of geometry. Discover of zero, that means a great mathematician Aryabhatta. Also, the great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta calculated the value of pi at 3.1416, which is accurate at the 4 decimal point. Let us learn basic concept in geometry. We do not define number. Similarly, we do not define a point, line and plane also. We do not define number. Number is a code. Then we imagine all these codes. Similarly, we do not define a point, line, plane also. Coordinate of the point. Every point on the number line which denote the number is called coordinate of the point. Here is the number line. The point D is on the number line which denote the number 1. Therefore, the coordinate of the point D is 1. The point D on the number line denotes the number 1. Therefore, 1 is the coordinate of the point D. Therefore, negative 3 is the coordinate of point B. The point C on the number line denote the number negative 2. Therefore, negative 2 is the coordinate of point C. 0 is the coordinate of point O. The point E on the number line denotes the number 3. Therefore, 3 is coordinate of point E. Distance between 2 points. We can find the distance between 2 points on the number line by counting the numbers of units. Therefore, the distance between the point A and C. We calculate the unit between the point A and C. How much units between the point A and C? 1, 2 and 3. Therefore, distance between the point A and C is 3 units. They calculate how much units between the point B and D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Therefore, distance between the point B and D is 4. We can find the distance between the 2 points on the number line by counting the number of units. Distance between the point A and B on the above number line is 2. A and B. There are 2 units between the point A and B. Therefore, distance between the point A and B is 2 units. Distance between the 2 points is equal to larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. This is the formula. Distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points A and B is denoted by D into bracket, open bracket, A comma B, capital A comma capital B, and read as distance AB. Therefore, distance between the point B and E is denoted by distance BE is equal to, then compare the coordinate of the point B and D. We observe the number line again. The coordinate of a point B is -3 and coordinate of the point E is +3. Then which is the larger coordinate? If we use the number line, then the point which is the on the right is greater than the remaining point. म्हणजे इथे लक्षात घ्या, जेव्हा आपण संख्या नंबर लाईनचा यूज करतो आपण, तेव्हा कोणत्या पॉइंटचा कोऑर्डिनेट ग्रेटर आहे आणि कोणाचा स्मॉलर आहे हे ठरवण्यासाठी जो पॉइंट राईट साइडला असतो त्याचा कोऑर्डिनेट मोठा येणार, लक्षात घ्या, ग्रेटर असणार आहे, आणि जो लेफ्ट साइडला असतो त्याचा कोऑर्डिनेट हा स्मॉलर असतो. या पद्धतीने आपल्याला सांगता येईल. द लार्जर कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट ई मायनस स्मॉलर कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट बी. The coordinate of the point is 3 minus, this is the sign of formula, into bracket coordinate of point B is -3. This minus minus becomes as plus. Therefore 3 plus 3 6. Therefore distance between the point B and E is 6. That means there are 6 units between the point B and E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. In this way we use formula distance AC. First, find the coordinate of point A and coordinate of point C. The coordinate of point A is -5 and coordinate of point C is -2. The C is on the right side of A. Therefore, the coordinate of C is greater than coordinate of A. Therefore, we use formula here. Larger coordinate of point C minus smaller coordinate of point A is equal to coordinate of the point C is -2 minus into bracket the coordinate of the point A is -5. Therefore, -2 minus into bracket -5. This minus minus becomes as plus. Therefore, -2 plus 5. The number 2 and number 5 have opposite sign. We know that if the two numbers have opposite sign, then we take a subtraction. Therefore, 5 minus 2 is nothing but 3. Therefore, distance between the point A and C, that means distance AC is equal to 3. Then we observe or we conclude the distance between any 2 points is always a positive number. And if the 2 points are not distinct, then the distance between them is 0. Means distinct, not a distinct means ते दोन्ही जे पॉइंट आहेत ते वेगळे नाही आहेत, एकावर एक आहेत. मग अशा वेळेस त्यांच्यातला डिस्टन्स किती येणार आहे? ऑफकोर्स 0 येणार आहे. Then this is the number line. The point A is associated with negative 11. Therefore, the coordinate of the point A is negative 11. Coordinate of point B is negative 9. Coordinate of point C is negative 7. Coordinate of the point D is negative 5. Coordinate of the point E is negative 3. Coordinate of the point F is negative 1. Coordinate of the point O is 0. Coordinate of point P is 2. Coordinate of point Q is 4. Coordinate of point R is 6. Coordinate of the point S is 8. Coordinate of point T is 10. Then we have to find out distance QT. The coordinate of the point Q is 4 and coordinate of point T is 10. Therefore, the T is on the right side of Q. Q च्या right side ला आहे. T म्हणजे T चा coordinate मोठा येणार आहे. We know that larger coordinate minus smaller coordinate. मग याच्यामध्ये larger coordinate कोणाचा आहे? T चा. Therefore 10 minus into bracket 4. That means plus into minus. 10 minus 4 means 6. Therefore distance between the point Q and T is 6. Distance dr means the distance between the point D and R. आता D च्या कोणत्या साइडला R आहे ते चेक करा. इथे मी ठेवलाय कर्सर D वर. And R is on the right side of D. D च्या right साइडला आहे पहा. Therefore the coordinate of point R minus coordinate of point D means 6 minus into bracket coordinate of point D is negative 5. Minus minus becomes as plus. That means 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. Distance OC. That means distance between the point O and C. मग आता O च्या कोणत्या साइडला C आहे? बघा ऑब्झर्व करा. लेफ्ट साइडला आहे. That means here the coordinate of point O is greater than coordinate of point C. Therefore coordinate of point O minus coordinate of point C. That means 0 minus into bracket minus 7. Minus minus becomes as plus. Therefore 0 plus 7 is equal to 7. Therefore distance OC is equal to 7. Distance BD. आता B च्या कोणत्या साइडला D आहे? बघा राइट साइडला आहे. ऑफ कोर्स म्हणजे D चा कोऑर्डिनेट मोठा येणार आहे. Therefore coordinate of point D minus coordinate of point B म्हणजे काय येणार आहे? D चा कोऑर्डिनेट negative 5 minus into bracket the coordinate of point B is negative 9. Minus minus becomes as plus. Therefore negative 5 plus 9. That means plus 4. Therefore distance BD is equal to plus 4. That means 4. Distance AF. आता A च्या कोणत्या साइडला F आहे? राइट साइडलाच आहे. Therefore F, the coordinate of point F is larger than coordinate of point A. Therefore coordinate of point F minus coordinate of point A. That means negative 1 minus into bracket negative 11. Minus minus becomes as plus. Therefore negative 1 plus 11. 11 is greater than 1. Therefore 11 minus 1 is 10. Therefore distance AF is equal to 10 units. Distance OT. OT. आता O च्या कोणत्या बाजूला T आहे? राइट साइडला म्हणजे T चा कोऑर्डिनेट लार्जर दॅन कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट O. Therefore distance OT is equal to 10 minus into bracket 0. That means 10 minus 0, 10. We will continue this chapter tomorrow. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. You will get notification of my channel. Also like and share my channel. Thank you.